What's cracking, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sammy's here.
Hey, June.
And we are doing the first test drive of the car with the new seats, where we stripped it out in the last video, which if you haven't been and seen, go and watch it because that is the video of that, and that new steering wheel. Guys, if you haven't seen, in the last video we went and basically stripped out the rear seats and some of the interior. We've still got the front door cards, we've still got the carpet, which we're probably going to leave in for the track day just because we haven't bought a plate and we need to get a plate put in, foot plate and stuff. And then we've also got the new seats in, these bad boys, and if you can actually see, they do look sick. They are nice, and the blue, and they're blue, so they go with the colour. And then obviously the Motomex steering wheel, which obviously we're waiting for the little centerpiece to come, and obviously it means the airbag light is on, but you know what, it's going to be mainly a track car. We're still stripping it out, but we want to take it out today to essentially, one, just get a feel for it, feel the steering wheel, feel the seats, and two, see how noisy it is as well, because some people have said to us it's going to be noisy. Oh, she's nervous.
I just don't know about this clutch, guys.
It's a short gearbox. It is a short gearbox. Oh, there's a screwdriver in there as well. You can tell it's a track car when you're carrying
nuts and bolts,
screwdriver, and
of course Dom with his bars.
Yeah, with something to eat. Right. Sorry if I put that on a bit. Sorry.
Okay, right. I need to just. God, it's a.
What's that? What's that Corvette? What's the neighbour's Corvette?
Let's not take the Corvette out while we're here. Okay, I need to just get used to the car. Okay.
Really? We're not here for cat runs out. We're gonna squish the thing.
Dom, we're supposed to go fast.
Not here, man. We're at a bloody public.
This steering wheel makes me feel like I'm a racing driver. Seriously.
Right, wait till we get out, and then we can go. Oh, but that's the right. So the spare tyre I've loosened off. Yeah, and I've not fully removed it, and then also the jack that comes with the car is also bouncing about. Right,
the clutch.
Might need a new clutch before we even get to a track day.
Where are we going, Dom?
Let's go left.
Okay, good. Sorry, I'm just getting used to it, guys. All right, I am a good driver, but I don't normally drive this. Dom's driven 400 miles in this car.
Slowly go out the village.
Can't see over the steering wheel. This is reality, guys. All right, when you buy a track car, okay, I'm very comfortable with my Mark 8.
She's gonna need you're gonna need a cushion.
Yeah, I am.
You're gonna need she's gonna need a cushion.
Very well.
Yeah, it is a little bit noisy, like I say, but that is probably that spare wheel and the jack bouncing around. Why did we not take the jack out? Why did we put it back in?
Yeah, you told me to put it back in.
Oh, I don't know. Anyway, just don't hit the cycles. Go on.
Alright. It's not in gear. Oh my god!
God blimey. New gearbox, please.
Right, we're done.
So, Sammy has taken a little bit of getting used to this, hasn't you?
Dom drove 400 miles in this car.
I did drive it 400 miles, and I'm not going to lie, the gearbox is so different.
The gearbox is
really short. Like, the gearbox is really short.
The pothole.
Massive pothole. But yeah, it is a really short. That is louder.
It's so loud.
And then without that, like,
we haven't even got the exhaust on yet.
No, we have got an exhaust on order. It's on the way. So, but obviously it's only noise restrictions outside, and I've been told by everyone the one we've got on the way is perfectly fine.
I don't know when to change gear very well, that's the thing. It's quite noisy.
It is quite noisy.
It feels like a track car though, like compared to...
We need to take that wheel out. That bloody wheel. Oh well.
Fine.
We'll get it out before the track day. My house is full of car parts. Please, if anyone wants ST150 stock, interior, seats, anything, because at the moment they're being used as a cat bed by the cats, or
Zoe, Dom's wife, just get
my little boy's just like playing around with stuff in there as well.
Nuts and bolts.
Yeah.
Yeah, the clutch. I feel like I'm just not very good at the steering at the minute.
I'm trying to. You are literally, your eyes are where the top of that steering wheel is. You need, you're gonna need a cushion.
I'm trying to sit. Well, maybe if I sit. Wait, let me just try and sit up.
What was that?
No,
you just cut my neck off.
Sorry. I was just trying to find my guideline. Guys, I don't normally drive like this, alright? That's why Dom's like, yeah, you drive. I think he's like, get me out of this car.
You said, I said you can go first because you haven't driven it as much. We've both got to drive it, but...
Yeah, I know, I just need to get used to it. But yeah, I need to... It's not too bad. If I proper sit back, it's fine, but I feel like I just need a little bit of height.
These seats are really upright as well. Like, they're really straight.
Yeah, they are really straight.
And you can adjust that. You can actually adjust it so they're more reclined, but I don't know. I feel like I'd want to be more upright. Remember, there's only 5 gears.
Oh, God.
There's only 5 gears. Don't put it in reverse. Don't put it in first. That is noisy, isn't it?
It's good though. Like with the seats and with the steering wheel now, it does feel like it's kind of actually like a proper solid
track car.
Like it is. Like
start of a track build.
Yeah, it is.
That's like, what we're doing. It's the start of a track build.
It's quite good.
Let's talk about some positives.
Yeah.
Seats are comfy, right? I'm not going to sit here and moan.
Seats comfy. Steering wheel. I love the steering wheel.
Yeah. And we can adjust the angle of the seat obviously by these little bad boys, so we could raise this one up or these ones down at the back if we wanted. So yeah, if we wanted to obviously change the angle, like if you felt, I suppose if you felt like your ass is slipping out the seat towards the pedals, we can adjust it.
Yeah.
But that might be something that we do after the first.
This is what I mean, we need to do the track day and we need to see, right, okay, this works, this didn't work. That's the whole point of it, do you know what?
Yeah, we need to like gauge and hone in what we really want in terms of setup and stuff.
How does it feel? Steering wheel feels good.
Steering feels... It's light in the first thing. We have noticed the steering wheel.
Yeah, we need to get the steering wheel aligned a little bit better because it's a little bit off.
It's not perfectly straight.
You know, we're doing it by eye, you know, like it's quite hard. We thought we had it fine, but these are the things that you learn, I guess. Like when you're doing these things, we don't do these things every day.
Yeah, you just got to make a slight adjustment to it.
But it's good. It actually feels good as a passenger as well. But yeah, I just feel like I need to get more confident with it. In terms of, because I'm just not used to it. I feel like it takes me a while, even like other cars I've driven before, like it takes me a while to get used to it. But it just feels quite solid, and I think it's just exciting, isn't it? Like
it's noisy.
It is noisy, but
major. So it just feels like you've got the windows open.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. I said that. I was like, it feels like you just got the back windows down. Like that's in terms of noise level. Do you think it feels lighter? Like, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know if it does, but...
we haven't taken it around the track as a stock car.
Yeah, so we can't compare it.
So we can't really compare it.
But...
seats though, man. I can't go to the gym anymore.
No.
not even that big. I'm not a big guy.
Because they're rally driver seats. Do you know what I mean? It's a whole other level.
So guys, we just got back from the drive out. Get in here, man.
Hey YouTube.
She's just dancing about. Anyway,
I'm excited.
We've just got back from the little test drive and I like it. I love it.
It's sick. I think it's really good. I just want to get more confident with it. But steering wheel, 10 out of 10.
Getting used to it is the next thing. Steering wheel's great. We just need to realign that. And honestly, guys, we've probably said we might take it to Gary or someone.
Yeah, just to give it a little check over.
Just to give it a check over before we officially take it on track, because It feels a bit warm, feels a bit hot. We've checked the oil, it's fine. And we've got a little guest. Yeah. Anyway, so we're going to be taking it to someone just to get it checked over. But seats feel good. Steering wheel just needs realigning.
Yeah.
We tried to do the best we can, and I thought it was straight.
I thought it was straight. I
tiny
mean,
little movement, and that's it. But guys, it feels amazing. It's ready to go.
Yeah.
That is what it's going to be. Seats are in, steering wheel stripped out. It is a bit noisy.
It is a bit noisy. It feels like you've got the windows down in terms of like the noise level. But I feel like it was quieter than I expected.
But
I know it's not fully stripped out yet. But
it's not fully stripped out. I can't imagine how noisy it's going to be when we've stripped it out. And there's an exhaust.
Yeah.
And I don't think the intake's going to do much because it's not like we've got a turbo because it's an NA car. But yeah, that is it. We are ready for the track day. Everything's ready to go. We just need to get that final little check done. We'll take it to Gary because sometimes it just pays to get a professional just to check things over because we want to make sure the first track day goes really, really smoothly. So I'm happy. Sammy needs a little booster cushion. I need a little booster cushion. But apart from that, guys, it'll be really good. I just can't wait to get on track now. It's gonna be amazing. And I can't believe we're actually doing this still. I know. I've been on many tracks in the passenger. I've never actually been the driver, so. And obviously I've only taken the Evo out, and this is going to be something that is not going to be as really.
Let's see what you do.
She doesn't mind. Up she goes.
So
anyway,
right?
As always, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe because you want to be able to follow the content of this build. Subscribe to the channel. Looking to get to 1,000 subs, guys. That's the goal for like the end of the year. What are we up to, like 860 now? And we can say we because Sammy's essentially part of the channel. I am the YouTube channel. You are part of the channel now. So as always, like, comment, share, subscribe, all the good stuff, guys. Until next time. Bye, YouTube. Peace out.